number?
Item 43, Lord.
What do you want?
Roll, Lord. Sick partition. Roll.
Your name?
A. Dr.
Mr. A. Dotto, the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner submits that he has instructions to withdraw the instant with petition.
Correspondent number 1 to 3.
Mr. A.K. Sahewala appears on behalf of respondent numbers 1, 2, and 3. Taking into account the above, the writ petition therefore stands closed on withdrawal. Interim orders, if any, stands vacated. You are appearing? Not there. Okay.
Finance. Finance and
What matter? You have filed it? DST cancellation.
For listing the but on the same cause of action matter of fixed on Friday.
What matter?
The petitioners are the shopkeepers under the Howley Town Committee. In the certainly the input order passed for the increasing the rent lordship and that comes funding.
Increasing the rent.
Then
What is the urgency?
lordship the
Pay.
pay lordship the we immediately pay the increase.
Okay, okay, Friday. Yes, Mr. This is a matter pertaining to? At the request of Mr. R. Goswami, the learned counsel, matter stands adjourned to be listed on Reconkut. 2nd of March. Interim order is there. Huh? The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next. Yes, madam.
Before I'm the petitioner, 45 and it's 47. We have to file an affidavit. We have counsel close not file their affidavit. There's some developments last week, which is why they waiting instructions, they are unable to file. I've taken consent from petitioners and from counsel.
Madam, I don't grant adjournment for filing affidavits at this time. We'll see when the matter is taken up. Friday.
Supplementary item 48 about the list.
Matter pertains to what, madam?
It's a fatal.
Ah,
Now we are to say that this is the defense. They have invoked or under the PPA. And there was an order by the strict judge also against that reaction. It's a fatal. In an earlier round of litigation law, there is a clear observations to come for. If I want to kindly have to face 5. On record, it's a live topic. Record that partner help by the petitioner in respect of the area of land gathering of 99 are covered by 77. The petitioner seeks to accept the action of the responsible party in seeking to evict her from the appointed land because by the mother of petitioner number 123. By means of an additional affidavit filed today, the petitioner has gotten records of that aforesaid land was reconveyed to the possessor. In the interest of the present petitioner, whereafter it is being that by fabulous applicant so petitioner has remained in possession of the same land as the naturally, the petitioner is sought to be evicted from the aforesaid part of land. Recourse has to be made to the court of competent jurisdiction. As question of tribunals of the petitioner to the land question to be solved. If however such
Where is the order?
in this case,
Order is passed by whom?
I think if you have page 48.
Then where is the have you moved the district judge?
Sorry?
Have you moved the district judge?
The order is at page number 48.
Understood. This is an order by the estate officer.
Instead of.
Then why haven't you moved the district of?
It was not filed because apparently it's without jurisdiction. Because if it is not a where is the question of the invoking the power?
No, no, the question out here is, which I could see from here,
Yes.
is this, they say that this is a defense acquired land.
Still it was acquired.
Ah.
It was reconfirmed.
How can it be reconveyed?
It's all gone.
Where?
Yes. So we kindly come to first page number 72. It was acquired for defense purpose, but it was reconveyed.
This was done in 1954.
Yeah, 54.
Then,
And directed to refer to Deputy Director Land and Handling of Explosive Service. It is also to your address and to convey the sanction of the President to deconvey of 3 acres and 17 lasers of expired land under number 25 of periodic further number 7 and village to the answer only. The original on a recommendation of department B and on payment to the government of the cost of execution already paid. Then will not, I think up to page 19.
where's the reconveyance deed?
Yes. Please come to page 19. This is a letter by the Middle Eastern officer to the commissioner. In view of the fact that the landowner confirmation thus has seen and executed the relevant requirements deed. Possession of the land in question should be handed over immediately pending execution of the above mentioned deed on behalf of the government. Deed therefore stand over possession of the land mentioned against item number 5 to the list enclosed to your letter. The reference to confirmation thus on a proper clear discharge certificate as per specific attached deed signed by the owner and attested to. Then below at page number 21 is the discharge certificate.
Let us see the notice which was issued.
Lord, the notice is at page number 40. Description, no, nothing, Lord.
The schedule is Dag number 19.
Yes, that number 19, the total land.
No, your land is Dag number 225 core of KP Patta number 26. How do you say the 20?
What is the description of the land?
Yes.
My compound is there is a bounded by boundary wall. So where is this some temporary construction?
No, but this Dag number is different from 225 core,
Lord,
which is your sale deed. Page 28. Then
no, Lord, where is the description of the area?
Dag number 19.
What is this 39 into 26? What does it mean?
This is the area.
That's the area, but where is the area?
But your case is that that land has been reconveyed to you.
Yes.
So show me that 25A
Yes.
of Patta number 26
Yes.
became Dag number 19.
Once. Our land insurance deconflict is covered by Act number 25K or
Oh, and KP Patta number 26.
26.
Now, here to the north is 30, Dag number 30, Dag number so and so. This is the land. Now, what is being sought out here is Dag number 19, which is a government land. No patta, therefore.
Actually, there is no. Look, I have looking at it, Friday, I'll have to do search on or Monday.
Because this is a question of fact which can be looked into under section 9. I can't look into that. And this is a notice which have been issued.
So, I think was.
Uh,
Because it is our case, the our land is the total land. Therefore, how come you are invoking the Act of 70?
But therefore the question,
25 and 19.
so that you need to find out. That is,
Monday.
and what is this application which has been filed by somebody, Antanu Chaudhary?
I am not the knowledge shows me died. So his 3 sons are already on record. 2 daughters has 3 brought on record.
So we therefore,
Yes, I can be disposed.
but why you are making in the eviction proceeding so many people?
The date of the day
You are not claiming at the declaration.
survived by 2 daughters also.
Understood, but the fact remains, if you allow them, you are asking yourself, okay, it is something I remember when I was a lawyer, there was one client of mine. So it was a fight between BND and Kupchan. The person who was managing then, Mr. Guha, he used to file a lot of cases, including contempt application. And my client, he didn't stop. I should contest everything. So he was also wanted to contest in a contempt matter.
Brothers have decided that's why it's all us.
They are already there. So
3 sons are there, 2 daughters are not.
okay, you want the substitution. This is an application filed by the applicants by the petitioners along with 2 others to the accompanying writ petition, intimating this court that Sri Nogendra Chaudhary, the petitioner number 4, expired on 26/6/2023, and therefore the applicant number 4 and 5, who were the daughters, ought to be substituted in as much as the estate of Sri Nogendra Chaudhary is otherwise represented by the petitioner numbers 1, 2, and 3. So, taking into account the above, Mr. R.K. Dev Chaudhary, the learned at DYSGI, submits that he has no objection. Taking into account the above, the applicant number 4 and 5 are substituted against the petitioner number 4. A fresh memo parties be filed by the counsel appearing on behalf by the petitioners before the registry of this court by 23rd of March, February 2026. The registry shall, on the basis of the fresh memo parties, make necessary correction in the cause title and update the same in the CIS. I stands disposed. A main petition for letter. Upon hearing the matter, a question arose as to why the petitioner have not approached the appellate forum as provided under Section 9 of the Public Premises bracket Eviction of Unauthorized Occupants Act 1971. The learned senior counsel submitted that the land in question is a patta land, and under such circumstances, the question of initiation of any proceedings under the Public Premises Eviction of Unauthorized Occupant Act 1971 is without authority and jurisdiction. In that regard, the learned senior counsel drew the attention of this court to the deed of reconveyance dated, what is the date? 35/1962. 35/1962. To show that the land in question, which is the subject matter of the proceedings under the Public Premises Recovery of Act of 1971, could not have been initiated. This court, however, finds it very pertinent to observe that a schedule mentioned to the deed dated 35/1962 refers to an area of 3 bighas 17 lechas covered by Dag number 25 core of KP number 26 at village Bhorolumuk under Moza Ramsorni in the district of Kamrup, Assam. It also shows that there is a boundary specifically mentioned to the schedule. On the other hand, a perusal of the notice under Section 4 of the Act of 1971, read with the impugn order passed under Section 5 of the Act of 1971, reveals that the land in question pertains to Dag number 19. In that view of the matter, Mr. K.N. Chaudhary, the learned senior counsel, submitted that he would obtain necessary instructions through his assisting counsel and make further submissions on the next date. List the matter on 25th. 25th at the top of the list. Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next. Mr. Chaudhary, kindly ask them to get the revenue map.
Yes.
Then you will get it.
On my complaint page, there also I find is a difference. The 170 old something that is very funny.
Just find out.
The revenue map will clarify.
Can it be taken after sometime that instruction is from the well or ships?
What is this petition? What is wrong with you? Everybody is coming with this 904 number Dag. That day I disposed of 2. Why are you filing? Are these all not your clients? Why are you not filing it together? Everybody has filed one application. I know the date without seeing the file. 26/8/2025. Isn't it? Isn't it? You file all the 3 applications together. The total land is 9.04 lechas, isn't it? Huh? This is another land. Where is the land? Where? Where is the land? Where is the land documents? Huh?
No.
Why should we pass any order without that land document there?
Land document did not, my lord,
Yeah.
annex. No,
No.
nothing was.
No. No. Here we don't know. Whether your name is there or not. Where? No, why haven't you enclosed here? Lekho, the materials on record do not show that the petitioner has any right over the land for which the mutation has been sought for. Inasmuch as no land document, no copies of the record of rights have been placed before this court. The learned counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner submits that he would file an additional affidavit in that regard. List the matter. How much time? 2 weeks, 3 weeks? After 2 weeks, on 16th of March 2026. List the matter on 16th of March 2026. In the meantime, the additional affidavit be filed. And Mr. Counsel, start preparing your petition better, not 5 paragraphs. Not 5 paragraphs. This is not an application filed out here by hand. Not 5 paragraphs. This court is not going to allow this thing. Yes, what is this? Item number 2. Yes. What do you want? Particularly acquisition, granting and preservation and view for the sweep of away models. When did you submit your application? And where is the scheme? Then what happened? What is page 28? Hmm? Pending since? Union. It is union who has to take care, not them. Because you have given the recommendation. You have social power. You have given the recommendation. Union has to take note of what has happened.
I'll bring instruction manual.
Issue notice making it returnable on how much time?
4 weeks, my lord.
issue notice making it returnable on 6th of April 2026. Ms. So-and-so accepts notice on behalf of the respondent number 1. You appear for social justice. Ms. P. Chakraborty appears for respondent number 2 and 3. 2, 3, 4.
2, 3, my lord.
Who 4? Fours. First, as the respondents are duly represented, extra copies of the petition be provided to them by tomorrow. It is the case of the petitioner herein that the petitioner, in pursuance to an application filed, perhaps it is the case of the petitioner that in pursuance to granting aid provided to voluntary organization under the Deen Dayal Disabled Rehabilitation Scheme, the petitioner applied. Full stop. The state respondents have already recommended that the petitioner should be granted the grant in aid. However, the respondent number 1 have not taken any action in that regard, and it is under such circumstances the present petition has been filed.
Three.
Explain my lord, instruction against fraud for madam.
Instructions for that survey, that action is given today. No.
Please, your case. What do you want? So you filed an application under 3G5. Where's your application? No. What is this filing before? This is an NHI application which has to be filed before the competent authority. And is this the application you have paid to increase the land acquisition value? What is 64? This is done under the National Highways Act.
My lord, can you see page 18, my lord? Page 18, my lord, it has been acquired by the Land Acquisition Department, Kamlur.